What if you could start making money online without working 24/7? In 2025, building passive income is easier than ever. Let's find the ways to earn passive income and finally escape the 9 to 5 grind.
In today's fast paced world, relying on just one income source is becoming riskier. The rise of the gig economy, inflation, and unpredictable job markets are all reminders that having multiple income streams is crucial. That's where passive income comes in. It's the key to financial freedom, giving you the flexibility to work less, live more, and build wealth over time.
Ready to start earning while you sleep? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the best ways to make passive income online in 2025. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income online. All you have to do is promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You don't need to create your own product or worry about customer service. Just share what you love and get paid for it. To get started, there are a few popular affiliate platforms that make it easy to find products to promote. Amazon Associates is perfect if you want to promote anything from books to gadgets, with millions of products to choose from. ShareASale offers a wide range of merchants, so you can find products in almost any niche. And if you're into digital products, ClickBank is a great choice, featuring everything from ebooks to online courses. These platforms handle all the tracking and payments, leaving you free to focus on promoting. Affiliate marketing works seamlessly with blogs, YouTube, and social media. For blogs, you can embed affiliate links within your posts or product reviews, earning a commission whenever someone clicks and buys. On YouTube, simply include affiliate links in your video descriptions, or even mention them in your videos while showing off products. And on social media, sharing your favorite products through posts, stories, or even Instagram Reels with your affiliate links lets you reach your followers directly. No matter what platform you're using, once those links are out there, you can start earning passively. The best part about affiliate marketing is the set it and forget it nature. Once you place your affiliate links in your blog, YouTube description, or social media posts, you don't have to do much else. People can discover your content at any time, click on your links, and you'll earn a commission while you're not actively doing anything. The second method on our list is create a niche website or blog. Creating a niche blog is one of the most powerful ways to build long-term passive income. When you focus on a specific topic you're passionate about, whether it's personal finance, fitness, or travel, you attract a dedicated audience who trusts your advice. Over time, as you consistently post valuable content, your blog will start to rank in search engines, bringing in organic traffic. This means you're earning money from ads, affiliate links, or even sponsored content without having to constantly create new material. It's a slow burn at first, but once your blog gains traction, it can become a reliable, long-term income source. Choosing a niche you're passionate about is key to success with blogging. When you're genuinely interested in the topic, creating content becomes more enjoyable, and your enthusiasm will shine through, making your blog more relatable and trustworthy. Plus, sticking with a niche you love means you'll stay motivated long-term, even when things feel slow at first. Passion fuels consistency, and consistency is what will turn your blog into a sustainable, passive income stream. Once your niche blog starts getting traffic, there are several ways to monetize it. Affiliate links are one of the easiest. Simply promote products related to your niche and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. Google AdSense is another great option. You can display ads on your blog and earn money every time someone clicks on them. And if your blog gains popularity, you can also work with brands for sponsored posts, where companies pay you to create content featuring their products or services. Building traffic to your blog takes time. It's not an overnight success. First, you'll need to put in consistent effort, writing high-quality content, promoting your posts, and engaging with your audience. But here's the kicker. The more you put in now, the bigger the payoff in the future. Over time, as your blog ranks higher on search engines and more people discover your content, the traffic will grow on autopilot. If we think of another one of the best methods, then our next stop will be Faceless YouTube channel. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is one of the most exciting ways to generate passive income. You don't need to appear on camera or create elaborate setups. Just share valuable content in your niche. Once you upload your videos, they can continue to earn views and ad revenue for years. With YouTube's monetization options like AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content, your videos can generate a steady stream of income without constant effort. The beauty of YouTube is that your content works for you around the clock, bringing in new viewers and new revenue as long as your videos stay relevant. Over time, you can build a library of videos that generate income passively, giving you the opportunity to scale without much additional work. Monetizing a faceless YouTube channel is all about smart strategies that work for you over time. First, ad revenue is one of the easiest ways to earn. Once you qualify for YouTube's partner program, ads are shown on your videos, and you earn money every time someone watches them. Another great option is affiliate marketing. By adding affiliate links in your video descriptions, you can earn commissions when your viewers purchase products you recommend. Lastly, as your channel grows, you can secure sponsored content deals where brands pay you to feature their products in your videos. This combination of ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships creates multiple income streams, turning your channel into a passive income powerhouse. One of the best things about running a faceless YouTube channel is that you can keep earning money from your videos long after they are posted. As long as your videos continue to attract views, they'll keep generating a revenue, even years down the line. Plus, if you've included affiliate links, viewers can still click on them and make purchases, earning you commissions months or even years later. Sponsored content can also continue to bring in money if the brand is open to having their product featured for an extended period. This is set it and forget it approach makes YouTube an incredible platform for building a long-term, passive income stream. Creating faceless content is easier than you might think, and there are plenty of ways to make it work. One popular method is screen recordings. This is perfect for tutorials, tech reviews, or anything where you can show your audience what's happening on your screen. If you want to be more creative, animations are another great option. Tools like Vyond or Animaker let you create engaging animated videos without needing to be on camera. And of course, don't forget voiceovers. You can narrate your content and guide your audience through the information, all while keeping your face off the screen. These methods give you the freedom to create engaging videos without the pressure of showing your face. The fourth method on our list is creating online courses and ebooks. It is one of the best ways to turn your knowledge into income. Once you create a course or write an ebook, it's out there for the world to buy, with little to no effort required after that initial work. You can teach anything you're good at, whether it's photography, digital marketing, or even cooking, and people will pay to learn from you. The best part? You only need to create it once, and it can continue to generate income for years. To get started with online courses and ebooks, there are some fantastic platforms to help you. Udemy and Teachable are perfect for creating and selling online courses, with easy-to-use tools to upload your content and market it to a massive audience. If you're leaning towards ebooks, Amazon Kindle is your go-to. With millions of readers, you can self-publish your ebook and start earning with just a few clicks. These platforms do all the heavy lifting, letting you focus on creating while they handle sales and distribution. Sharing your knowledge isn't just rewarding, it's profitable. Whether you're an expert in finance, fitness, or even photography, people are always looking to learn from someone with real experience. By packaging your expertise into a course or ebook, you're offering value that others are willing to pay for. The more specific and actionable your advice, the more people will trust you as an authority in your field. And that's how you build a sustainable stream of passive income. Once your course or ebook is live, it becomes a long-term revenue stream. People can keep buying your content even while you sleep, and since it's available 24/7, your income can grow over time. As you continue to market and update your materials, you can watch your sales roll in, turning your initial effort into an evergreen income source. Another exciting method is print on demand and drop shipping. Print on demand lets you turn your creativity into passive income by designing custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. You create the designs, and platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle the printing, packing, and shipping. The best part, you don't need to invest in inventory or worry about unsold stock. Everything is made on demand, making it a super low-risk, hands-off way to earn money. When it comes to print on demand, there are a few great platforms to choose from. Printful is perfect for creating high-quality custom products and integrating with your own online store, like Shopify or Etsy. Teespring, now known as Spring, lets you easily create and sell custom apparel, accessories, and more, with no upfront cost, and they even help with marketing your products. Redbubble is another popular platform where you can upload your designs to be printed on a wide range of products, from stickers to home decor. Creating and selling designs through print-on-demand is simple and hassle-free. First, you create a unique design using graphic software or even online tools like Canva. Once your design is ready, you upload it to a platform like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. These platforms automatically create products with your design: t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. When someone buys a product, the platform prints, packs, and ships it directly to the customer. You earn a profit for each sale, all without ever touching the product or managing any stock. Similarly, drop shipping is also a fantastic way to make money without dealing with inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and list products from suppliers. When a customer buys something from your store, the order is sent directly to the supplier, who then ships it to the customer on your behalf. You never handle the product or worry about stock levels. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms to build your store, and Oberlo is a great tool that connects your Shopify store to suppliers, making it easy to import products. Once everything is set up, your business can run on autopilot. Your job is simply to manage the store and market your products while the supplier handles fulfillment. It's a perfect low-maintenance way to earn a passive income. Here comes method number 6, dividend investing. When you buy shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits, is called as dividends. Usually they pay on a quarterly basis. Instead of selling your stocks to make money, you earn passive income from the company's success. The more shares you own, the more dividends you receive. It's a long-term strategy that helps you build wealth steadily without having to sell your investments. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a portion of the company's profits, which they distribute to you as dividends. For example, if a company pays $1 per share and you own 100 shares, you'll receive $100 every quarter just for holding on to your stock. Over time, as you build your portfolio, these payments can add up, giving you a steady stream of income without you having to do anything beyond investing. If you're ready to dive into dividend investing, platforms like Robinhood and eStar Trade make it easy to buy and sell stocks. Robinhood offers commission-free trading, making it a great option for beginners. A trade also has a user-friendly interface and powerful tools for more experienced investors. Both platforms allow you to start building your portfolio without the hassle of high fees, so you can focus on growing your passive income. One of the most powerful aspects of dividend investing is compounding. When you receive dividends, you can reinvest them back into buying more shares. Over time, this creates a snowball effect. Those extra shares earn you even more dividends, which you can reinvest again. This cycle of reinvestment accelerates your growth, helping your portfolio grow exponentially. True magic happens in the long term. As your investments compound, even small initial investments can turn into significant wealth. Plus, many dividend-paying companies increase their payouts over time, so your income continues to grow. With patience and consistency, dividend investing becomes a steady path toward financial independence. Let's quickly recap the ways you can start earning passive income online in 2025. Affiliate marketing, promote products you love, and earn commissions with each sale. Creating a niche website or blog, building a site to attract a targeted audience to generate traffic, build authority, and monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or products. Faceless YouTube channels, create content and monetize it through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, all without showing your face. Online courses and ebooks, share your knowledge and create content that continues to earn for you over time. Print on demand, design custom products like t-shirts and mugs and earn money each time they're sold. Drop shipping, sell products through an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping. Dividend investing, invest in dividend-paying stocks and earn regular income without selling your investments. Each of these methods can help you build a stream of passive income. So take your pick and start building your financial future today. Remember, the key to success is starting with one method and staying consistent. You don't need to master everything at once. Just pick one strategy, put in the effort, and stick with it. Over time, your hard work will start paying off, and you'll be amazed at how much you can earn passively. So pick the method that excites you the most, start small, and keep building. Your future self will thank you. Which passive income method are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts into the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're going to start with. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with anyone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more tips on building your financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because I've got more exciting videos coming up on how to grow your wealth and take control of your finances.